Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I'm going to take you through the steps you can use to auto-publish your post on LinkedIn using Zapier. Now let's head straight into it. Come to your Zapier, click on Create Zaps, and you find yourself in this interface. The very first thing you have to do is you select your scheduler by Zapier. You set it up the way you want it. The setup, you select the trigger event. Is it every day? Is it every hour? Depending on what you want. The configure the time actually. Then after your trigger, the next thing you have to do is AI by Zapier, which is your action, right? It is used to generate the actual prompt that you want, the actual caption title that you want to post on your LinkedIn. Now after that, click on AI by Zapier. When you select it, you set it up the way you want it. Scroll down to this place. Scroll down, you will see where the prompt is, right? This prompt, you are allowed to write your own prompt. You are allowed to get it from ChatGPT, Cloudé, make your choice. And then after that prompt, I have to format my text. So I added formatter by Zapier. It is your choice, right? Then after that, you add your Google Sheet. So for the very first time you are reading something like this, you have to store it in Google Sheet. Reason is that you have to review whatever the AI is posting on your LinkedIn to be sure that it is actually what you want. Now after saving it on the Google Sheet, what next? You post it on your LinkedIn by adding the LinkedIn app, right? Look at your setup here. The app is LinkedIn. Action event is create, share, update. Account, you sign into your LinkedIn. Click on continue. The next thing, your comment is the output that you saved in your Google Sheet. Just click on this plus, move down to Google Sheet, and then you can select the output, which could be column C, column B, depending on which column you saved it into. And you are good to go. Remember, it's visible to anyone. And that is how you can auto-publish your post on LinkedIn or any other social media platform. Now, right now, if comment on this post, and if you have any questions, anything you want us to work on for you or build, please comment it. And thank you very much for visiting our channel.